What describes the miscibility of ethanoic acid with water? A. Immiscible. B. Slightly miscible. C. Miscible in some proportions. D. Miscible in all proportions. The correct answer is D. Miscible in all proportions. What was the consequence of the mass extinction of the native population on the plantations? A. The need for new labor sources. B. Abandonment of sugarcane cultivation. C. A shift to alternative crops. D. Increased reliance on European labor. The correct answer is A. The need for new labor sources. Which part of the brain is responsible for temperature control, thirst, and hunger? A. Hypothalamus. B. Pons. C. Cerebellum. D. Thalamus. The correct answer is A. Hypothalamus. What is the southern hemisphere called due to its land and water distribution? A. The continental hemisphere. B. The water hemisphere. C. The land hemisphere. D. The oceanic hemisphere. The correct answer is B. The water hemisphere. Which of the following is a type of chromosomal mutation? A. Law of dominance. B. Changes in number. C. Law of segregation. D. Secondary constriction. The correct answer is B. Changes in number. Which gland is responsible for secreting parathormone? A. Parathyroid gland. B. Thyroid gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is A. Parathyroid gland. The train's movement in the described system relies on magnets attached to which parts? A. Both the track and the train. B. Only the train. C. Only the track. D. Neither the track nor the train. The correct answer is A. Both the track and the train. What is a primary goal of plant breeding, as indicated by the concept map? A. To develop new farming equipment. B. To study plant diseases. C. To improve crop characteristics. D. To create decorative plants. The correct answer is C. To improve crop characteristics. Which river is longer, Yangtze or Hangho? A. They are the same length. B. Yangtze. C. The text doesn't provide enough information. D. Hangho. The correct answer is B. Yangtze. Besides bark and roots, from which other parts of plants do spices originate? A. Fruits and seeds. B. Only leaves. C. Leaves and flowers. D. Wood and sap. The correct answer is C. Leaves and flowers. What symbol was carried on the punch-marked silver coins? A. Peacock. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Lion. The correct answer is A. Peacock. Which movement in Bengal involved the interlinking of boycott and Swadeshi? A. The boycott and Swadeshi movement. B. The moderate trend. C. The partition of Bengal. D. The Bande Mataram movement. The correct answer is A. The boycott and Swadeshi movement. What process involves wave-like movements produced by rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscular walls to conduct food? A. Digestion. B. Absorption. C. Peristalsis. D. Secretion. The correct answer is C. Peristalsis. In the context of the coil analogy, what does closer indicate? A. A region of vibration. B. A region of expansion. C. A region of compression. D. A region of rarefaction. The correct answer is C. A region of compression. What feature characterizes the eggs laid by most reptiles? A. Laid in water. B. Tough outer shell. C. Microscopic size. D. Soft, jelly-like coating. The correct answer is B. Tough outer shell. Which type of scattering is defined by the energy of the incident beam and the scattered beam being different? A. Elastic scattering. B. Mie scattering. C. Resonance scattering. D. Inelastic scattering. The correct answer is D. Inelastic scattering. At what temperature does water change to ice? A. 1000 C. B. 00 C. C. 1020 C. D. 200 C. The correct answer is B. 00 C. What is the approximate height range of the Western Ghats? A. 500 to 1500 meters. B. 2000 to 3000 meters. C. 1000 to 2000 meters. D. 3000 to 4000 meters. The correct answer is B. 2000 to 3000 meters. What was one of the major tasks of Ghiyasuddin as Sultan? A. To conquer the Delhi Sultanate. B. To expand into Persia. C. To establish new trade routes. D. To recover lost territories. The correct answer is D. To recover lost territories. What are diagrams that use symbols to show components in electrical circuits called? A. Blueprint diagrams. B. Schematic diagrams. C. Circuit diagrams. D. Flowchart diagrams. The correct answer is C. Circuit diagrams. What can be done with the excavated soil from these water-related activities? A. It must be disposed of as waste. B. It can be used to enrich soil in fields. C. It causes soil pollution. D. It is unsuitable for any agricultural use. The correct answer is B. It can be used to enrich soil in fields. In what year was the Queen's Proclamation issued, transferring the administration of India? A. 1858. Born in 1860. Circa 1859. D. 1857. The correct answer is A. 1858. Where was the Roman Empire's democracy located? A. Thingvellia. B. Italy. C. Italian Peninsula, Rome. D. Greece. The correct answer is C. Italian Peninsula, Rome. Compared to the human body, does apple have more or less water percentage? A. More. B. About the same. C. Less. D. Cannot be determined. The correct answer is C. Less. What must continue for the flow of electrons to persist in a galvanic cell? A. Crystallization. B. Redox reaction. C. Precipitation. D. Neutralization. The correct answer is B. Redox reaction. What is the meaning of the Sanskrit word kula in the context of Gurukula? A. Family or home. B. Student. C. Learning. D. Teacher. The correct answer is A. Family or home. When applying Newton's third law to electrostatic forces, what are the two components of the interaction between charges? A. Positive and negative. B. Attraction and repulsion. C. Field and potential. D. Action and reaction. The correct answer is D. Action and reaction. What was the silver content of 1 jital? A. 36 grains. B. 48 grains. C. 3.6 grains. D. 4.8 grains. The correct answer is C. 3.6 grains. What type of activities involve decision-making processes by executives? A. Tertiary activities. B. Quinary activities. C. Secondary activities. D. Primary activities. The correct answer is B. Quinary activities. What type of energy is utilized from pressurized gases produced by a propellant? A. Electrical energy. B. Chemical potential energy. C. Kinetic energy. D. Thermal energy. The correct answer is C. Kinetic energy. How did you score?